What's under your fingernails?
It's just dirt, though.
Well, maybe we should take a sample.
You just scrub his nail fire.
Is it in your ears? I bet it's in your ears. When was the last time you cleaned your ears?
You want to take a sample, Bill?
Can we do that?
I can arrange that.
Bobby, can I have your pen? Oh my god, darling. Can I have your pen, darling? Oh my god. Darling, can I borrow the pen? Oh my god!
Fuck's sake.
Darling, just borrow this pen. Just wanna borrow it.
Кто там волк серый?
Andy, what's wrong? Hi, bird.
Peekaboo. I don't want to play peekaboo. I don't want to play peekaboo. Whatever. No.
Charleston, South Carolina features houses in an array of bright Caribbean colors, giving the area the alliterative name This Row.
Ken, what is Rainbow Row? Yes. Those are across America 1000. All right, here we go.
第1問どっちだ。お二人幸先いいな。開幕第1章や。第2問どっちだ。痛いけど当たり。ピヨイピヨイピヨイピヨイ。第3問どっちだ。はじゅりはじゅりはじゅりはじゅり。
Don't.
New all-brand multigrain crunch breaking the rules of fiber cereals. It actually tastes delicious.
Yeah?
You might be inspired to break some rules yourself, like wearing white after Labor Day. New all-brand multigrain crunch.
You're a chicken.
If you've been injured in a car accident, then you know the next steps are critical for your well-being now and down the road. First things first.
Come on. Shih Tzu! Yay!
Hi, Violet. Hello. yeah. Hair flip, hair flip.
It's your own activity. I don't know. So those are a lot of really cool behaviors. And Heather mentioned, you know, we're training other birds. We train all.
And apparently, my portable
Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me?
8時頃まで集まりました。
社内の入室記録によると午前0時過ぎ会社に戻ってきています。何しに帰ってきたんですかね。
わかりません。あの部屋はよく使うんですね。それは。
Oh no! What happened?
You've been framed this going on. Go on then, touch him. She touched him. Go on then, give him a cuddle. Give him a cuddle.
He's as big as you, and he likes your frilly bit.
Kissy bird. Are you a kissy bird? Peekaboo. Kiss your belly. Kiss your belly. Are you a pretty bird? Let me kiss your belly. Yes, I'm gonna kiss your belly.
Pew. Good boy. I love you.
That tongue.
If you guys can effectively test the whole So like, it's ridiculous. I'm working Laura on the show, Simply Laura. Katie's part of my inner circle of friends. This one, you know, plays it sweet. Big time.
In sheep's clothing.
Exactly. Do you consider yourself from Jersey or from Naples?
I'm Italian because that's where I was born, but I am like the classic
Alright, so who are you guys bringing in tonight? He's opened restaurants, he's written cookbooks, and he's beaten cancer 5 times. From East Hanover, New Jersey, please welcome Eric Levine.
Dad.